This is a driving video of our Bentley Flying Spur. Just gonna start it in reverse. So this is a 2012 Bentley Flying Spur Speed Series 51 edition, and you can see it has 105,397 kilometers, and I believe that's just a touch under 66,000 miles. You can see this is a original US destined vehicle with the main speedometer in miles, making this an easy one to return back to the States should you be in the USA. We can sell anywhere in the world, Canada, US, or worldwide. Make the process real easy for anyone interested. Happy to assist with obtaining a transport quote or anything you need on that end. This Bentley is powered by the 6-liter W12 twin turbo engine, producing I believe close to 600 horsepower. So even though this is a big full-size sedan, it's got tons of power, lots of torque, and quite a nice car to drive, really. No issues up at 70 miles an hour. All the engine temperatures are good. Shift's great. I can put it into manual mode and shift through with the paddles. Car runs and drives quite well. We did install 4 brand new tires on it the other day. That's kind of cool. Rolls-Royce Phantom. Crazy. And the only mechanical flaw that we found, which is disclosed, is this electronic park brake fault light. But the park brake itself works fine. It's functioning. I'll show you that when we come to a stop. And if you look on the Carfax, it actually shows that that was serviced. I believe within the last month or two, so not sure what is actually causing the fault light, but the park brake itself works. Just show you the park brake working. Just gonna come up to this little bit of like a hill here. So you'll see when I pull up, I'm gonna put it in neutral and you'll see the vehicle will roll back. So I'm gonna engage the park brake. Shows park brake on. And now if I let off the brake, vehicle will not roll. And I'll just disengage it here. Disengages, and the vehicle rolls. That is a driving video of our Bentley Flying Spur up for auction. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the auction down below. More photo, video requests, anything like that, I'll get them to you right away. Thanks so much. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below. Check out some of our other videos on the channel and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.